In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily increase the DPI of your design here in Kittl. Now, this is incredibly easy to do. All that we want to do is come over here to the right-hand side where it says download. If we click on there, we can see just here DPI. So right here is where we can increase it to whatever we want. Now, the majority of the time, you're going to want 300 DPI. So if we now change that to 300 DPI, and if we go ahead and just remove the background on this and download as a PNG, this PNG will now have 300 DPI. So if we go ahead and download this, then if we open this just like that, and if we come to Inspector, if we look just here, this is now 300 DPI. So that's just how easy it is to increase DPI here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.